Welcome to our vlog. Today is April 24, Wednesday. Missing tayo ng maaga kasi actually hindi nga ako nakatulog maayos kasi nga ewan ko, parang gising na naman yung utak natin, yung diwa natin. So may ang gising ko, wala akong proper sleep. So baka later makatulog ako sana ng hapon. This morning medyo umaraw kaya naglaban na ako para maisampay natin. And later mga 1 PM. So I'll stay dito ng 12 lunchtime. Dadating si Nikki, si Nicole, yung bantay ni Chard. Ihahatid kami sa Branyan Clinic kasi may PCO si Chard. So yun. Sera, tatawagan ko muna sila kasi i-clear ko i-confirm ko yung schedule kasi nagpadala sila ng letter before, hindi ko sila natawagan. So, we'll check. Yung labahan natin. Uniform lang naman to, tsaka yung mga sinuot ko nung nakaraan. Ayan. Sampay lang natin. Ayan yung view natin. Wala yung birds. Kanina nandyan sila. Umalis. Tapos ito yung pinapakain ko kasi yung buntis na pusa dun sa ilalim nakatira. So, sampay muna tayo.
Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. And it's smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align. And it feels so bright, it's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart.
Tingin lang ni Stewart. Di ko pa natapos linisin yung bahay niya. Galing kasi siya ng Gold Coast. So, nasira nga yung map. And I'm in the middle. Nandun pa lang ako sa kitchen. Bumigay na yung map niya. Kaya hindi ko natuloy yung paglilinis. Hanggang hindi ko na nabalikan kasi nga may work tayo yesterday. So, ayan. Nakauwi na siya. So, bahala na siya sa bahay niya. Magbe-breakfast na tayo. Konting stretching muna pala tayo bago tayo mag-breakfast. So, usually in the morning, ito yung inuuna ko pagka nandito na ako sa kitchen. Nililigpit ko to. So, ayan ang ating table. So, mababago na yun once makabili na ako ng parang yung 3 layers. Nakita ko kay Stewart. Maganda yun eh. Tapos, ililipat ko yung microwave somewhere. So, bahala na kung ano magiging maayos ng kitchen. So, ligpit muna tayo.
You can say what you want. I already know it's destiny. Maybe you should stop resisting it. I understand it can be scary, but you'll be safe in my arms, baby. Just take a leap of faith. Come on, just take my hand. 'Cause our vibe is irreplaceable. You don't see this kind of love no more. It's special, one of a kind, yeah. I know, together. If you let me be your girl, we'll take over the world. Together we'll go high, we'll make the most of life. If you let me be your girl, I can wait for the day, yeah. I'll wake up next to you.
Tamad-tamad kami na. Nakatambay na siya lagi dyan sa bed niya. Tinapon ko na yung luma niyang bed. Nilagay ko sa ilalim ng bahay namin. Baka sakaling gamitin yung pusang makatira doon sa ilalim. Buntis kasi yun. Tapos lumating si neighbor. Walang donut. Krispy Kreme. Wala daw chocolate. Yan na lang. Pero sabi ko okay na rin yan. Iba naman yung flavor. Nagdimpla ako ng coffee. Tapos tea kay Hubby. Yan. Breakfast na.
눈 뜨면 눈부신 아침 햇살과 모닝콜로 너와 시작하는 하루. 마치 내 인생의 포커스가 지금에 맞춰진 걸까.
Just sit the whole time.
따뜻한 모닝커피의 향기가 오늘 하루도 날 기대하게 만드는 걸. 우리 오늘은 또 어떻게 지낼까. 너를 바라만 보고 있어도 좋아. 아무 말도 하지 않아도 난 좋아. 너의 눈만 바라봐도 내 모든 걸 다 알 것 같아. 우린 너무 완벽하게 모든 게 다 잘 맞아서 가끔 난 걱정이 돼. 네가 날 떠나가 버릴까봐. 쓸데없는 다른 걱정 따윈 생각하지 말기로 해. 오늘은 우리 기다렸던 데이트 날이야. 손을 잡아줘. 오늘 데이트도 멋졌어. 너도 좋았어. 내일은 또 어떤 곳을 너와 함께 가볼까. 너와 함께 먹고 싶었던 명동 길거리 음식. 내일 그걸 먹으러 가볼까. 너와 마주 앉은 지금이 난 좋아.
Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Pacific Coffee. Na-cancel yung appointment ni Hubby kasi since nagpadala sila ng letter sa akin na hindi ako nag-confirm, yun, akala nila cancel na. Kaya, ayan, nag-coffee na lang kami. Brunch na to, brunch. Machi-machi kami ng t-shirt. Thanks to Gary and Beth family. Purple straw. What? Rainbow straw. Purple straw. Okay. Coffee mocha.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. I need me to be whole again. Thought you were the piece missing from left. You're not the one. Fix the mess, get myself up out of bed, but I'm feeling empty. Maybe I need to try something else. Get you out of my head, you can't save me. Waking up in this place all alone. You look